Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to MyAudi. First, download the MyAudi app from your device's app store. You will need an Audi ID and your vehicle's VIN. Create your Audi ID if you don't have one already. This ID links your personal profile to your vehicle, enabling a seamless digital experience. Ensure your smartphone has a stable internet connection for the initial setup process. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your Audi ID. Navigate to the Add Vehicle section and enter your car's VIN. To unlock full features, you must register as the key user. This usually involves entering a 10-digit vehicle code found on a sticker or in your owner's manual. This step securely links you to your Audi. With your Audi connected, you can now access many features. Check your fuel level, lock or unlock doors remotely, and view service reminders. If you encounter issues, ensure your vehicle's MMI system is updated and has a data connection. Always verify your specific Audi model supports the desired MyAudi functions for optimal performance. Beyond basic controls, MyAudi allows you to plan routes, send destinations directly to your car, and manage charging for electric models. Personalize settings like preferred radio stations or climate control before you even get in. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these containers, plus other great deals to enhance your daily routine and simplify life on the go. Enjoy the full potential of your connected Audi experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.